will take it forward, and he'll just give a brief introduction about Al Burj Consultancy. Over to you, Waqar sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Yusuf. Thanks a lot. Okay, first of all, thank you for the Tally team also. Hi, my name is Waqar Ahmed, and I am a business coach and consultant. Al Burj Consultancy is our company name, and 20 years, more than 20 years UAE experience. Closely nowadays working with the finance accounts professional, and especially for the business owner. Everybody knows in this pandemic situation, we knows help each other. So as a consultant, as expert, helping to the business owner nowadays, and we arrange this session with the help of Tally. Thank you, Tally, because your support for this in this. And secondly, the what we will cover in this, many things are there. If you will stay with us till the end, we can share with you a lot of things in as a business owner, as a finance and accounts professional, how you can cope up in your practical scenarios. So I can just share some tips for later. We can, once we will see in the slides in details, I can add some more input from my side. uh, if you are running your business, definitely you are facing a lot of problems for the cash flow point of view. So Tally is the best solution, which is I know since 1998. Tally is I'm using, and I'm aware for this software. They are updating whatever the requirement according to the customer, according to the market. So cash flow is the main thing, which if you are controlling your cash flow, you are surviving in this. If you are not managing your cash flow, if you managing manual or Excel something, it is not feasible for you. So I would suggest go for Tally or go for good software so that you can manage your things. Secondly is the receivables, because receivables are the main thing which is you can manage their agings. Once we start the session, you will see in the slides how I'm working with my clients, and my clients are happy in these days also. Even my close clients where I'm working, they're not facing that much problem because they have a very good controls. They have strategies how they can cope up in this situation. So I will not take much time. Many things are there in the slides. MIS reports are there, how you can manage your stock position, profitability, cash flow, and other management reports. So I would request to Mr. Yusuf start officially the session. So
Hello.
during the slides, I can share more input from my side. Thank you, Yusuf. Over to you. Yeah.
It will be always our pleasure. So, thank you so much, Mr. Waqar. So, just I'm pleased to inform that we have a very well-known personality from UAE. He has got 18 years plus experience in account and finance, and he's just a point of contact when your business is on the humpy road. That is what in a pandemic situation, if you wanted to take some strategies, he is right there for you. Plus, a software always gives you output based on your input. So he will, and it will give you a lot of report which can help you to generate uh, profit in the business, which can help you taking the business decision. Without taking much of the time, I'll just, so the session is more about Tally. So I hope most of our audience, they are familiar with Tally. So we have like 2-3 slides, and post that I'll be showing my Tally screen, and I'll show you tips and trick in Tally ERP9, which is a software. So I'll just give you a glance about Tally. Tally is a global brand. So we are right there in we have a global presence. We are pioneers since 1986. We have got over 2 million registered customers throughout the globe. We have award-winning partner network. So when it comes to getting service or buying Tally, it's always our partners. And we have one esteemed partner, well, very known personality, Mr. Waqar, who is with us. We have got 400 plus research and development team who are just just a call away from us, and who develops a product just in time. Mr. Waqar has raised a hand. Yes, Waqar sir, we'd like to hear it from you, sir. You have any questions, sir?
I just first of all, thank you very much. You are expert and excellent in details, everything. Here, I just want to add something. Stock summary is talk about you are talking. can you show the slow moving stock? Because this is our cash. The
Right.
tip which I want to share as a expert nowadays for the companies, that I'm suggesting them to look at your stock, which is, you know, dead stock or slow moving stock, because this is your cash, which is
Right.
stuck since long time. I know in the tally there is a feature you can see the slow moving item. So take out this list as an accountant, as a financial expert or a business owner. Look at your line by line items so that you can, you know, if is it try to sell as early as possible so you can get your more cash in your cash flow. So please, slow moving if you can show.
Exactly, exactly. So what we can do is see now these are the some reports which is right on the front view of the tally. When you
Mm-hmm,
click on the display, and
mm-hmm,
it has statements of inventory and inventory book. So when you go
mm-hmm,
to inventory in statements of inventory, if
mm-hmm,
you see movement analysis, when you click
mm-hmm,
it and say stock group analysis, you say all things like say for the quote, it will give you what happened when it was inward, when it was outward.
mm-hmm,
Likewise,
mm-hmm,
it gives you when you do analysis.
mm-hmm,
Okay, so who are your top suppliers and buyers?
mm-hmm.
So inward, outward. So from where you have got it, who are your top buyers and sellers? This can also be there. I'll just show
Yeah,
you, sir. I'm just showing you one by one. So these are
yeah,
so
yeah,
many reports.
yeah.
So now stock item analysis with the items you can find it out.
Mm-hmm,
Now, when you go to aging analysis, when you go
mm,
primary, it will show you what is
mm.
the aging by putting a
Eh,
period. So say
exactly.
10, 20, 30, these are things, and above 100, about 200. What are the stocks? When you save this,
Mm.
it will give you a report which gives you.
Excellent, excellent.
So,
This is the thing. So management can review from this report, and they can manage according to their funds and according to the what inventory they have to maintain or what focus the budget side. How
okay,
the software is budget is, you know, we can maintain. It's one thing.
okay,
Secondly, the main thing is the aging report. Show it the aging report. I want to say something about because about this situation point of view. Aging
right,
report, if you can say
okay,
number of days of the debtors, which is because
right. I'll
currently I'm
show that.
working. Yeah, currently I'm working many clients and giving them a help to ease them in the cash because I will share the tips how they can, you know,
Exactly.
aging.
So
Yeah,
I first I'll take the outstanding aging analysis, and then
aging
we'll
analysis. Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
aging
and
analysis.
then I'll move to the second question what you asked.
Yeah.
So when you go to outstanding, so it's very simple. When you go to display statements of account, when you click on outstanding, it gives you two options: receivables and payable. What you need
Mm,
to pay, what you need to receive. When you go on
mm,
receivable, you
mm.
just go to the
Yeah,
period.
just hold down here. Just hold down here. This number. So we were. This is the audience. This is the report, which is a very excellent, beautiful report in the software. As an expert, I'm suggesting. So, like for example, number of days. You know, the number of days overdue is 232. For example, 93. Your terms and condition is of 120 days. What you have to do to, as an expert in your company, as a business owner, as a financial expert, focus on this. What is your terms and conditions for the collection of the money? So debtors ratio is there, number of debtors days, how many days overgrown, you know. So focus on this for these specific customers so that you can generate your more cash from these clients. And you can plan according to with them next, like how you have to manage with them in the future sale point of view or your terms and condition for the credit point of view. So this is the main key which is I'm handling as expert with many clients, which is we got some good benefit from this report. So this is the one report I want to share you. So you have to focus on this area. So yes,
Exactly.
Yusuf, please,
So
second.
on this report, what we can do is you can just get the action point. Who are the problematic customer who has not paid you? So not that way. Like who are the customer who has been defaulted? What you can do is you can just click on age wise by date 30, 60, 90, and 0. Once you do that, it will give you all the customers who are more than 90 days. If this is the report, these are the customer who has been overdue in this detail. Either you can send them an email with the notification. It will go one on one. If you set the customer email ID, it will send an email to customer: dear customer, company name, these are the four bills, this is the outstanding, kindly pay us pay us the bill. You can export it, you can print it, and you can use it accordingly. So this is what we have made it very nicely. You can export, you can email from here if you configure your customer's email ID. So this is what you can use. And the second one, what was
Second is the budget point of view, is how
budget?
we can manage the budget as a company owner, how they can manage their budget, you know.
Right. So say if once you go to F11 accounting features, if this option is enabled, you go to masters account info. There is one button called as budget. So if you can create a budget and you can find it. Say I have made one budget 2020. In my budget, what I've kept is primary budget on from the group's ledgers. Say for example, if I go to ledger, say if I wanted to say if I for the salary, if I keep the budget of say for 30,000 for from Jan to December, and if I save this, now this is one I've saved. Now what I'll do is I'll do a transaction of salary. Say I'll click on the payment. I'll say I'll do it via cash and say salary. Say if I do 40,000 of the salary and if I save this, yeah, so payment, yeah, salary is done. Now when you go to your, now I'll just show you report how it will work. Accounts book, sales ledger.